How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about two beautiful trades we took today inside Team Bull. One of them being on SPY and one of them being on ticker NVDA, NVIDIA. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this NVIDIA trade. Very basic, beginner-friendly trade. So let me show you what I've seen here. We had a nice supply up here from this 269 to 270. So I made Team Bull members aware. So I'm watching this level. It's a good reject area. When I say reject, I mean a good area to purchase puts in to make money on the way down, right? We have supply and a nice resistance up there. So we come up, we took our entry around this 269. This was called out live inside Team Bull. We took puts. I traded at the money strike prices always, and we just took the move back down. I took really the closest to being at the money. Friday's expiration, it was around $400 for my fill. My last sell was around 460, so $60 per contract on my last sell, which is a nice trade. And this week is OPEC, so I tend to scalp more during weeks like this. Now let's just take a look right here. I just want to show you all what I've seen. A little closer look here. You see 1, 2, 3 touches on the hourly time frame. That's what confirms a nice resistance, right? That's what you're looking for. 2 technically creates a support or resistance, but I like to see 3 adds more confidence, more likelihood that you're going to respect that level. And it worked out nicely. Beautiful trade, nearly zero drawdown, and that's exactly how we like it. Now on SPY, we took a bounce at around this 411.9 to 412 area. We entered off this candle here and we caught this move back up to VWAP here. Now let me tell you why we took this trade. You switch over to this SPX, so you can clearly see the levels I had charted out. You all got these levels on my weekly watch list that I released every Sunday. You had these levels charted out. This was a simple support area I was watching for a bounce. We come down, I entered early. I told Team Bull when I bought, I said I'm buying calls here. Entered around this 4131, 4132 area, and it did exactly what we wanted it to do almost immediately. Pushed all the way back up to this prior day close, which is exactly what I wanted to see off this trade. I traded this using SPY calls. I always base my SPY trades off SPX levels and ES levels. They all work together for me. I will leave a video in the description below if you're interested in learning more about that. Now, I do have an official release date on the video I've been promising you all, and it will be released this coming Wednesday. So be sure you got them notifications on, okay? It's going to walk you through how I find my levels every single day. So ideally, you can take that video, watch it, and understand exactly what I look for every morning when I'm creating my watch list. Join me on Instagram Live after this, okay? After I drop that, you're always welcome there. And let's create our levels together. I'm on Instagram Live every morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time to around 8:45 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I give free education. I give you a watch list plus game plan for when market opens. We look at data, see what's going on for the day. Feel free to join us. We'd love to have you all there. And that's all I have for this video. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.